Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Oh shit! Holy oh! What the fuck? Dude. What?
Are you fucking serious? What the fuck is wrong with you?
All right, we're back. So let's look at what Nate shows us is the chief dimension where Musk has shown high or genius level intelligence. I'm just reading that first line, man. So the first words under this are cognitive load capacity and over.
What the fuck? Are you fucking stupid? Speed camera.
blind. Most men don't wear perfume, Pigeon, or dresses that make that much noise. You're
OnStar emergency.
Reedy and looked as if a stiff breeze might blow him over. But he was strong.
Oh,
As strong as
shit.
her ex had been, she was certain, and he was leaving her in an
Deserved.
unspoken dance.
What the f, bro?
That her toes needn't even
Poor
touch
frog.
the ground.
Damn, you dumb son of a...
Woke up this morning, and I watched the fucking race. Mark Marquez. Jesus Christ. Ooh. The guy did the trifecta. He
That's what they do. So we're next.
Delays though, back toward the Delta Road, Windy Hill region, and this lingering stall still in a center lane. We need a hero, please. 85 southbound Highway 317.
What are you doing, man?
Slow down Highway 316. Downtown headed all train lines this afternoon, a half hour from the 85 to 100.
1,000 feet.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.